Oh God, just hit me. Just smacked me right in the face.
We're going to play some games.
Good job, babe. All right, guys, we're going to John's Incredible Pizza today. Gonna go have some fun with the kids. I actually just got off work. Well, kind of left work. It's kind of the nice thing working for yourself. Leave work whenever you want. Oh God, just hit me. Just smacked me right in the face. Hey, know where we're at.
Incredible.
What'd you get?
Cheese and pizza and corn.
What'd you get, my dude?
Mac cheese and pizza and mac cheese and corn.
You got mac and cheese pizza, huh? Yeah. Ice cream? What do you got on your ice cream?
Pink guys.
Got some ice cream and some chocolate milk. And hot chocolate. Remi, what'd you get? Remi. What'd you get? You don't know?
Does that taste like cherry Coke to you?
This is a cherry Coke
Cake.
cake.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Yep, just like cherry Coke.
Yep.
Does it really?
Try some?
How funny!
Weird. Kyler, where are you going? We're going to play some games now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's shower.
What show are we watching in here?
Peppy Pal.
Puppy Pals, is that your favorite?
We're going to play some games.
Too fast. Oh, they got some new ones. Kyler, is this like one of your favorite? You love this one, huh, dude? Come on, let's do a walk. See what they got. It's only been like 3 weeks since we've been here last, but they got some new ones. Whoa!
I want to do that.
You want to ride the train? Got everything in here. Little man loves the train, don't you, dude? No hands? Drive! Oh, you gotta flip it over, dude. Nope, 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 nope. Let me see. Just like that, dude. Let me see. Let me see. Kyler, let me see it. All right, Kyler, one of your favorite games. Go, go, go. You gotta wait, you gotta wait. Now go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Stop. Go, 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 go. Good job, dude. Keep going, keep going. Oh, you're out of time.
How many balls did he get?
Did you beat Sissy? Oh, Remi got 22.
I beat him.
Good job, babe.
Whoa!
27. Good job. cheapest game for Kyler to ever play. The return ball all the time. Come on, babe, you got this. Nope, go back to your left hand. You were doing better. No, okay. There you go. Whoa, good job, Remi. Oh.